In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify by phone. First and foremost, accessing Shopify's support via phone can be a handy tool, especially when you're in need of immediate assistance. Shopify prides itself on providing streamlined, user-friendly support systems, and their phone support is no exception. So, whether you're facing an issue with your online store, need help with setting up a particular feature, or simply have questions that need answers, this guide will walk you through the process of getting in touch with Shopify's phone support. Let's dive in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. This is where your journey to receiving phone support begins. It's the gateway to all things Shopify, from managing your online store to accessing the myriad of resources Shopify provides, including its comprehensive help center. Once you're on the Shopify website, you'll need to access your account. Look for the login button. It's your next click. This action prompts you to enter the digital realm of your Shopify dashboard, the command center for your online store. This is where all the magic happens, from product management to analyzing sales data. After clicking the login button, you'll encounter a page prompting you to enter your email address. This should be the email address associated with your Shopify store. It acts as a key, unlocking your access to the store's dashboard. Fill in your email address and proceed to the next step, which brings you closer to establishing that much needed communication with Shopify's support team. Following your email entry, the next logical step is to input your password. This is akin to turning the key in the lock, granting you entry into your Shopify store's dashboard. Enter your password carefully, double check if necessary, and then hit the login button to proceed. If you've entered the correct credentials, you'll be whisked away to the heart of your Shopify account. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the home page of My Store. This is a critical juncture, as it's from here that you'll navigate to the resources necessary for contacting Shopify support. Looking at the sidebar or the navigation menu of your dashboard, locate and click on My Store. This action is pretty straightforward but incredibly significant. It further filters down the options, bringing you closer to finding the help you need. After clicking on My Store, your next action will be to direct your attention towards finding the Help Center. The Help Center is a treasure trove of information, housing answers to a multitude of questions Shopify store owners might have. However, our focus is to get you talking to a Shopify support representative on the phone, and the Help Center is where this journey continues. After selecting the Help Center, you'll notice a chat box appear on the right side of your screen. While initially this might seem like a divergence from our goal of finding phone support, it's actually a crucial step. Shopify's support system smartly navigates inquiries to ensure that users receive help in the most efficient way possible. This chat box is your gateway to reaching live support, including getting the phone support you're seeking. Engage with the chat, succinctly stating that you wish to speak with a representative over the phone. The automated system, or a live support agent, will then guide you through the necessary steps to get you on a call with a Shopify support representative. It's essential to have your store details handy, such as your store name and any pertinent issue details, to expedite the process. Being prepared not only makes the interaction smoother, but also assists the Shopify support team in providing you with the most accurate and helpful information. Remember, the goal of contacting Shopify by phone is to resolve your query or issue as swiftly as possible. By following these steps carefully, you're well on your way to achieving that goal. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to contact Shopify by phone, a resource invaluable for time-sensitive issues or when you prefer speaking to someone directly. Shopify's dedication to providing exemplary customer support is evident in their streamlined process, ensuring you receive the assistance you need precisely when you need it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to apply this guide the next time you seek phone support from Shopify.